To use the MX800 series pin pad, we must first connect it to the computer. The first cable we will be connecting is the multi-port cable. We will also require the cable tie-down strap and screw. On the back of the device, plug in the cable. Place the cable tie-down strap in place, securing it with the screw. Connect the other end of that cable to an available port on your router or switch. To connect the power, plug the small end of the cable into the port marked 12V and the other end into your power source. Before configuring the MX800 series pin pad, we must first determine some networking information from the computer. To do this, select Start and then Run, and type in CMD, and then select Enter. Type in ipconfig space /all, and then select Enter. We will need to copy down the following information: the IP address, the subnet mask, the default gateway, and the 2 DNS servers. To use the MX800 series pin pad in the PC America application, some configuration is required. Using a narrow tool such as a paperclip, press the button in the hole to reset the device. After the device is reset, you will then be prompted for a password. Enter the password of 166831 and then press Enter, which will bring you to the system mode screen. There, you will need to select Configure. At the configuration screen, we will need to select Ethernet port. At the Ethernet port screen, we will need to select Static. Select Address. Using the keypad, enter a similar address to that of your computer. For example, if your computer's IP address is 192.168.1.1, you will enter an address of 192.168.1.2. In the same fashion, enter the subnet mask, the default gateway, and the 2 DNS servers. Then select Back. Select USB port. At the USB configuration screen, we will need to select Disable. Then select Back. At the configuration screen, select Back. At the System Mode screen, select File Manager. At the File Manager screen, select Restart. The device should then restart and then bring you to the Form Agent screen. After the hardware has been connected, we must then open the PC America application. Select Manager and enter your credentials. Select Setup and then Setup screen. Select the Hardware tab. For pin pad type, select the pin pad that you are using. Under pin pad connection, select Ethernet. Under pin pad IP address, type in the address that was previously entered on the pin pad. Under pin pad IP port, enter 9001. Then select Update, and finally Exit.